to take your Smartboard lessons from being simple slideshows to being interactive lesson activities. The objectives of today's lesson: I'm going to demonstrate several hide and reveal activities. I'm going to recreate an erase and reveal activity for you, and then we'll discuss why a hide and reveal activity might be useful in a lesson. So I'm going to be showing you several techniques for revealing information. We'll look at a move and reveal, an order and reveal, and an erase and reveal activity. So the question is, where is Tutankhamun's tomb? The answers are all hidden on this page. The first is the move and reveal. So when you're ready in your lesson, you can have a student come up and move the red box after they've tried to answer the question themselves. See if they got the right answer. So that's just moving one object in front of some text that's on the screen. The second kind of reveal is an order and reveal. The answer is here in this box, but it's in the same color of text as the background, so you can't see it. So when we move a colored box behind it, the answer shows up. And the final one is erase and reveal. So to do that, I want to make sure I've pressed the erase button in the actions panel, and then I'm just ready to erase to get the answer, the Valley of the Kings. These are all three useful ways to hide and reveal in a lesson, but I'm going to be showing you how to do an erase and reveal activity. So here's my problems. We're going to be doing multiplication practice in class. A tip is to put the directions here, use the eraser to reveal the answer, so it's clear what kind of action needs to happen to reveal the answer. So we're ready now to add our answers in. So to do that, first of all, I'm going to select my pen tool, and I'm going to make sure that it's ready for me. So I'm going to go to the contextual panel up here and make sure that the color is black and it's on a thin line. So the first one is the number 4, the second one, number 8, the third one, the number 12. And the next step is to change the digital ink in my answers to typed text. The reason is, if we would use the eraser later to erase what's covering up the answer, this would get erased as well. So I need to make sure that we've changed the properties, first of the objects to typed text. So I'm going to press my select tool in the actions panel, and I'm going to select the object. I can tell it's selected when there's a marquee box surrounding it. There's a little right arrow in the upper right hand corner, which I'm going to press on, and then I'm going to choose the top option is recognize form, and it's changed my digital ink to typed text. I'm going to do that with this object as well. I'm going to press the object drop down menu and choose recognize 8. I'll do that with number 12. And it is recognizing. Sometimes you'll find that it only recognizes part of the number, or it recognizes 2 separate numbers. If that's the case, I'm just going to show you real quick. You want to make a marquee select box, and then it selected both of these. Now I need to choose this drop-down menu box for one of the objects, and I'm going to go to grouping. I'm going to group the objects, and now it's one number, and actually that didn't work. Let's try that one more time. I'm going to make sure I've got my marquee select, and I don't need to group it. If I did, just choose grouping and group. I'm not going to ungroup because I don't need to do that. So I'm going to choose it and make sure that it's changed to typed text. So all three of my answers are ready now to cover up. So the next thing I need to do is change the properties on the pen tool. So I'm going to press the pen tool button in the actions panel. And I'm going to go to the color palette and change the line color to match my background, which is white. And I'm going to change my line to the thickest line. And now it's ready for me to just cover up. Just use my finger to do that, or I could use a pen from the pen tray. The next step, when you're ready in your lesson for students to reveal the answer, the correct answer, make sure the eraser button has been selected in the actions panel, and now we just simply erase. Our answers revealed. So just to review the steps to erase and reveal: first, write the answer. Next, change from digital ink to typed text by selecting the object and using the drop-down menu to select Recognize For. Next, you're going to change the properties of the pen tool by using either the Properties side tab, which isn't working for us today, or by changing the pen color in the contextual panel for the pen tool. You want to make sure the pen color matches the background, and you've changed the line thickness to make it really thick. Then you want to hide the answer with the pen, and finally, when you're ready, reveal the answer by using the eraser. So why would you want to hide information before talking about it? Yes, it's a great way to activate prior student knowledge. It's a way to just reveal steps of a process and not all at once. And it also engages students in the lesson and helps make the lesson memorable. And what might be some ways that you would use hide and reveal in a lesson?